This is what you should do when you see a cute girl looking at you. You see a gorgeous girl from across the room. Your eyes meet and she's smiling at you. Your heart starts thumping. What do you do? I'm about to reveal to you how to make her even more attracted to you, make her smile even more, and I'm going to explain how to avoid any awkward situations. So, are you ready to make her smile grow and grow as she becomes even more attracted to you? You're in the right place, so keep watching. And by the way, this applies to someone you already know, as well as a girl you haven't even met yet. So whether, that cute girl that you've been crushing on for a while is smiling at you, or just some beautiful woman from across the room that you haven't even met yet. Either way, these steps that I'm going to share with you are ridiculously effective. Ready? Let's dive in. And I have to say, I have 5 steps for you, but I'm going to start with an unofficial step first. Is that cool? If there was a step before the first step, it would be to enjoy it. There is a cute girl smiling at you, and you should let yourself enjoy that rush. It's a fun thing. Sometimes we forget dating and relationships and flirting and meeting people is supposed to be like a really fun and exciting thing. So that cute girl smiling at you. So enjoy it. Now let's get to the official step 1. What do you do when that cute girl is looking at you and smiling? Step number 1 is to smile back. Have you ever noticed how someone smiling at you can make your entire day? It makes the whole day just feel a little bit better. And it's especially true when that someone is cute, right? When they're attractive. Well, girls feel the same way. It completely and totally makes her day when that cute guy is smiling at her. As humans, when we smile at each other, it creates those feel-good chemicals inside of us and makes us feel much more connected to that person. And you want her to feel drawn to you, right? You want her to feel connected to you and make her want to be around you more. Well, that's one of the reasons why smiling is so effective. So if you start by smiling at her, it's going to take the attraction up a notch right from the start. It's also going to show her that you are a friendly and an approachable and safe person to be around, which is definitely the first impression you want her to have. P.S. Before we get to the second step, if you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe and ring that notification bell. My name is Melannie. I'm a Christian dating coach for men and your go-to place to learn the science behind attraction. You will not find any mind games or tricks or drama here. This is all science-based ways to attract and find the love of your life. So subscribe, ring that notification bell, and if you'd like to learn more about working with me in my academy, go to coachmelannie.com/masterclass. Okay, the second thing you should do. So number 1 is to smile back. Number 2 is to do a quick little mental body language scan of yourself. What do I mean by this? Just take notice. Are your shoulders back? Could you stand up a little taller? Keep your head not too high, not too low, just straight on. Make sure you're open and friendly. This is kind of creepy. Instead, you want to put your best foot forward. You want her to say, oh, he's cute. The way you hold yourself is ridiculously powerful. It has the ability to boost your confidence and help you think more clearly, as well as make her even more attracted to you. This is why I love teaching how to rock your body language to my clients in my academy. If you take a second just to pull those shoulders back and have open, friendly body language and just make sure you have that confident body language, that right there is going to make her go, oh, he's cute. Oh, he's really cute. As well as boost your confidence, which is going to make any interaction with her go a lot more smoothly. Bad body language is a way of hiding, where good body language is addicting, both to you and to the other person. It really helps her see how attractive you are and rock what you've got. And by the way, if you're interested in joining my academy and becoming a pro when it comes to finding the love of your life and attracting the kind of woman you are longing for, no more games. You just deserve to know the strategy that works right up front. If you're interested in that, that's where all of my coaching done is in my academy, and you can get started right now for only $53. This is a limited time offer, and I can't wait to share it with you. Make sure you take advantage of it now. You'll learn more about this in my free masterclass. Just go to coachmelannie.com/masterclass. I'll give you all the details of how it works and what exactly you're going to become a pro at. So I'll put a link in the description below and a link in the pinned comment. Just coachmelannie.com/masterclass. The third thing to do. So number one was smile. Number two is to do a quick little mental body language scan of yourself to make sure you're confident and open and friendly. The third thing is to do a quick scan of her body language. The truth is, a girl smiling at you can in fact be a very good sign she's attracted to you. But you never want to act if you only see one sign that she's interested in you. As humans, what we're feeling is visible in our bodies. You know, if somebody's nervous, if somebody's angry, if somebody's sad, if somebody's scared, if somebody's happy, we can see it in their bodies. The same is true with attraction, and it's actually a very good tool to have to be able to tell when somebody is attracted to you. As a matter of fact, as a coach, it's kind of funny because everywhere I go, I can tell what most people are thinking and feeling, and it's once you know, you can't unknow it. So yes, smiling can be a massive sign that she's attracted to you, but you want to look for at least 4 to 5 signs in order to feel very confident that she's attracted to you, because there's always the possibility that she's just being polite or nice. So if you have not yet seen this video, it's a really good place to get started, where I share some of these top body language signs with you. I'll put a link in the description below. That's a great place to get started to be able to read her body language and say, oh yeah, this is more than just a smile. She's probably thinking I'm pretty cute. And you know, who wouldn't want to feel that way, right? So it's just good to know. Step number 4 is to decide what to say first. Tell me this. I'm a little scared to talk about this because we've all been there. Have you ever been in that situation where you're standing in front of somebody really cute and you suddenly realize you have no idea what to say, and then you like start sweating, and the longer the silence goes, the more awkward it is, and it's just terrible. Do yourself a favor and just avoid that. Instead, before you ever talk to her, just decide what you're going to say. Now, I mentioned at the beginning of the video that these tips work whether you've known her for a while or have never met her. And this is a really good example of that. For instance, you know, if you already kind of know her or you've met her before, it may be a little bit easier to come up with something to say. However, even if you've never met her, there are still very, very simple and easy things that you can plan to say before you ever talk to her. This is going to put both of you at ease, make you both feel very, very comfortable, and it makes the approach go very, very, very well. This little step sets you up for success before you approach her. In my academy, when I'm teaching you how to be ridiculously charismatic and how to really capture her heart and her attention very quickly, we spend a decent amount of time talking about small talk and flirting and conversation. Because when you are interesting to talk to, she's going to want a whole lot more of it. But if the conversation is awkward and uncomfortable, this is one of the biggest things that makes a girl who would have been interested otherwise go, no, I don't want to be in this situation. So this helps you avoid her deciding she doesn't want anything to do with you, and it causes the attraction to grow instead. Does that make sense? Honestly, you feel more comfortable with a girl who is fun to talk to, right? Who's easy to talk to. So it goes both ways. Makes sense. Okay, I have a quick question for you before we get to the next step. I was kind of wondering, would you enjoy a video on how to make a girl smile or what makes a girl smile? Maybe just some cute, easy things that will bring a smile to her face? Is that something you would enjoy? If it is, comment smile to let me know. I really love your feedback and I really love reading your comments. So thank you for leaving them. And a huge shout out to those of you who are amazing with the super thanks. I always look forward to hearing from you and how much you enjoy these videos that I put together, and it helps support me and my channel, and honestly just wholesome Christian content. So thank you. And if you're enjoying this video and would like to see more, consider using that super thanks. It means a lot. So thank you. You guys are rock stars. Okay, are you ready for the next step for what to do when a girl smiles at you? Step number 5 is to look for a way to approach her or to talk to her. You've already decided in your head what you're going to say beforehand. Now it's time to act. So what is a simple way you could get close enough to talk to her? This again applies whether you already know her or have not ever met her before. In some ways, it can be easier if you already know her, just have a reason to just walk over and talk to her. But at the same time, it can be really simple even if you've never met her before. For instance, a really awesome go-to line is, "Hey, I noticed you across the room and I thought I'd come say hi. My name is," and then you continue to talk with whatever you decided you'd talk about before you walked over. The fact is, something simple like that makes her go, "Oh, he noticed me just like I noticed him. That's really cute. And then he came over and talked to me." And it's absolutely adorable. Definitely a good way to start this out on the right foot. So at this point, congratulations. You have successfully approached and gotten her attention. I want you to think about this for just a second. What do you do next? What comes next? How do you set up a relationship to succeed? What does that look like? Most people don't have an answer for this question. If they do, it's a very, very shallow, not very defined answer. And failing to know the answer to this question is what causes so many singles to fail. And the truth is, you don't deserve to fail, especially not over and over again. It's not your fault that nobody taught you this. Society really doesn't teach us this, and they should. It's not your fault that they don't. However, it is your responsibility to learn how to break the cycle. I wanted to create an easy place for you to go to learn what's been holding you back from the love you deserve and how to find that gorgeous, loyal dream girl and make her fall so deeply in love with you that she never leaves your side. Does that sound like what you want? I'm going to be sharing some secrets with you in my free masterclass. You'll discover how to forever transform how women interact with you. You'll learn what makes a woman fall passionately in love with the real, authentic you. And you'll learn what's been holding you back from that love. What's been stopping you. Go to coachmelannie.com/masterclass and watch this free training right now. I'll put a link in the description below and a link in the pinned comment. And again, if you decide you'd like to join me in my academy, it's only, you can get started for just $53. That's less than the price of a bad date, your average date, okay? That's where all of my coaching is done, and I can't wait to help you become a pro, just like I've helped so many other men. Again, just coachmelannie.com/masterclass. When you head over there, I'll share these secrets with you. And let's just recap the 5 steps what you should do when you catch that cute girl smiling at you. Number 1 is to smile back. Number 2 is to just do a quick mental body language scan to make sure yours is on point. Number 3 is to scan her body language and see if you see any more signs of attraction. Number 4 is decide what you are going to say before you ever talk to her. And number 5 is look for an easy, convenient way or excuse or whatever you want to call it to approach her and to start talking to her. Thank you so much, my amazing friend, for watching. Be sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell if you haven't yet. Give me a big thumbs up. And I want to hear from you in the comments. Would you like videos on what makes a girl smile or how to make her smile? If you do, comment smile to let me know. If you don't yet follow me on social media, there are links in the description below, and I share exclusive content on my Instagram. So make sure you especially follow me on Instagram. Thank you so much again, my amazing friend, and have an amazing day. Pop tilly pop tilly pop tilly bop, yeah. Ain't never gonna stop, yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Tell me about you. Ooh, ooh. Pop tilly pop tilly pop tilly pop, yeah. Okay, so that's the song I just made up about my pop filter. I literally made it up for the moment. You're welcome to this revelation. Sometimes things just make you happy and you have to sing about them, okay? Obviously. I mean, there's no way I'm the only person on planet Earth who does that. I mean, the others might be like 6 years old, but, but you know, some of us are just young at heart, okay? Don't judge me. But really, that's like a catchy song. Pop tilly, pop tilly. No, you can hear my dog snorting. That's not me, just to be clear. Pop. Never mind. The moment's gone. He killed it. Okay. Ooh, tell me about you. Yeah. can beatbox it too. All right, here we go. You gotta get all the wiggles out first, all the nervousness out. Okay, here we go. Are you ready for this? There's no way you're ready for this. It's that awesome. I gotta wait until my dog stops snorting and then I can film again. Pop till we pop till we pop till we pop, yeah. Ain't never gonna stop, yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Tell me about you. Ooh, ooh. Now it's stuck in my head. There's nothing I can do about it. Is it stuck in your head too? I'm sorry. I really am. That last run, I actually sounded pretty good. So you know, feel free to use that if you like. I mean, you can use the other ones as well, but that last one was like a really good run. So anyway, hey, when you rock it, celebrate it. That's all I'm saying. That's a little nugget right there. That's a little life lesson that you should jot down and remember. When you can rock it, celebrate it. Okay, I got to get my act together. I got to film, okay? No more goofing off. Step number 1, there's a loud car, letting him go by. That's step number 1, let the loud car go by. Hello, secret end of the video club. Guess what our word is today? I came prepared. Pop. Why is the word pop? Because they got a new pop filter. Did you notice? I know it looks different, huh? I really like it so far. We're good friends so far. I think this will be a long relationship right here. So if you watched to the end of the video, comment pop. So I know I always look forward to reading your comments. And so thank you. And never forget that you're awesome. I got lost in the music again. Some of us have short attention spans sometimes. Okay. They said it would go away when I was an adult. They lied to me. It's not so much that I have a short attention span. It's that I believe in making my own fun. That's just how I like to live my life. Any moment can technically be a fun one. Sometimes you just have to create it yourself. And I am comfortable doing that. Okay, moving on. I really feel like I was supposed to do something else. We're going to pretend I'm not. We're just going to say that I'm totally on top of this and I know exactly what I was supposed to do and I checked it all off. That's what we're going to do, okay? You're my witness. Yeah, good. Okay. Okay, I think I should get off now. I think I'm good. Probably. Okay, bye.